Now, soybean farming is one of the biggest drivers of tropical deforestation worldwide. But now, a scientific breakthrough can help trace where those beans actually came from and expose illegal supply chains. A new tool developed by scientists could soon help authorities identify where the soybeans are linked to illegal deforestation, especially in critical regions like the Amazon. And according to the World Resource Institute, agriculture has been responsible for nearly 60% of tropical rainforest loss between 2002 and 2024. A significant portion of that destruction is tied to soybean farming, much of it in the South America's Amazon region, and much of it illegal. Soybeans are a global commodity, widely used as animal feed and exported across continents, making it difficult to track whether they come from deforested land. But with new international rules tightening supply chains, tracking origin is no longer optional. It is essential. Well, new regulations in the European Union and other regions now require soy imports to be sourced from deforestation-free areas. And this has created an urgent need for reliable methods to verify where crops are grown. Now, that's where scientists at one of the world's leading botanical institutions step in. Researchers at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, have developed a technique that can trace the origin of a soybean to within roughly 200 square kilometers. Using a machine learning model, scientists analyze chemical signatures like stable isotopes and trace elements from hundreds of soybean samples collected across South America. Now, these signatures act like a barcode, shaped by soil, climate, altitude, and even proximity to the coast. Now, the model compares unknown soybean samples with a reference database built from known locations, and by matching chemical patterns, it predicts whether the bean was where it was grown. In some cases, the system can pinpoint origins with remarkable accuracy, while also indicating levels of uncertainty. Now, the implications could be far-reaching. Scientists say that this technology can eventually be used by customs officials at the ports, potentially with handheld devices to test shipments in real time. Now, that would make it much harder for illegally sourced soybeans to enter global markets. Now, the research, carried out with partners including University of Sheffield and World Forest, was funded by the Department for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs, and as pressure mounts to clean up global supply chains, innovations like this can become a key weapon in the fight against deforestation, helping ensure that what ends up on our plate does not come at a cost of the planet's forests.